everyone, and welcome back to Simple Tips. Today, we're going to be showing a really quick and easy recipe for mango lassi. Mango lassi is a very popular North Indian drink, especially during the hot summer months. Also, if you want, you can also add a couple of crushed cardamoms if you like that type of flavor, but we aren't adding that. So let's get started. So first off, here are the ingredients. Sweetened mango pulp. We are using Swad Kesar mango pulp, yogurt, sugar, granulated sugar, and ice cubes. So first of all, we're going to put in our ice cubes and about 5 tablespoons of granulated sugar. You can add more or less depending on how sweet you want your mango lassi to be. And now we're going to crush it together. So next, we're going to add in our mango pulp. We're using the whole can, which is about 30 ounces, which would equal to about 3.75 cups. Now we're going to add in the yogurt. We're adding in about 2 cups of yogurt. Ideally, if you used 4 cups of mango pulp, you would use 2 cups of yogurt, basically half of how much mango pulp you use. Now we're going to give it a light blend. Here is our mango lassi. This is a quick and easy drink to make if you have unexpected guests. Kids will love it, and it's really nice during summertime. You can also add some mint leaves for an extra refreshing flavor. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn your post notifications on so you know when we post our next video. Thanks for watching.